Is Ally Bank experiencing issues? Is something wrong with their services? These are questions that many Ally Bank customers have been asking lately. In this video, we'll delve into the potential problems, recent customer experiences, and what you can do if you're facing issues with Ally Bank. Ally Bank has long been praised for its user-friendly online banking platform, high-interest savings accounts, and competitive rates. However, like any financial institution, it's not immune to occasional hiccups. Let's explore some common issues and potential solutions. Common issues and concerns. Website and mobile app glitches. Slow load times. This can be frustrating, especially when you need to access your account quickly. Frequent crashes and errors. These technical difficulties can disrupt your banking experience. Difficulty logging in. Issues with login credentials or server problems can prevent you from accessing your account. Customer service delays. Long wait times. Customers have reported long wait times when trying to reach customer service representatives. Inconsistent responses. Some customers have experienced inconsistent or unhelpful responses from customer service. Account freezing or limitations. Security measures. Ally Bank may temporarily freeze accounts as a security measure, but this can be inconvenient if it happens unexpectedly. Account limitations. In some cases, accounts may be subject to limitations, such as restricted withdrawals or transfers. What to do if you're experiencing issues? Check Ally Bank's status page. Ally Bank often posts updates about system outages or maintenance on its status page. Monitor the status page for any information about ongoing issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve technical issues with the website or mobile app. Try a different browser or device. If you're experiencing issues with one browser or device, try using another to see if the problem persists. Contact Ally Bank customer service. If you're still having problems, reach out to Ally Bank's customer service team. You can contact them through their website, mobile app, or by phone. Be patient and persistent when dealing with customer service. Potential causes of Ally Bank issues. System upgrades. Ally Bank may be undergoing system upgrades or maintenance, which can temporarily affect services. Increased traffic. During peak times or periods of high demand, the bank systems may experience slowdowns or outages. Cybersecurity threats. Like any financial institution, Ally Bank is a target for cyber attacks, which can disrupt services. While Ally Bank is generally a reliable and trustworthy financial institution, it's important to be aware of potential issues and know how to address them. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can minimize disruptions to your banking experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.